Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Clash of Clans gems. So in order to buy Clash of Clans gems or special offers, it's quite easy, and in this video I'm going to explain to you guys how it works, how you can do this, and how you maybe can even claim some free items. So in order to buy any item over on Clash of Clans, you want to make sure that you want to open your Clash of Clans app, and then you want to go to the shop at the bottom right corner of your screen, just like this. And then you've noticed that when the shop is a little bit colored yellow or gold, then this means that there are special offers right now over on Clash of Clans. And we can see that there are a lot of new offers right now on Clash of Clans. And in order to get those offers, it's really easy. So these are offers, and we can see right here at the top of our screen, we can see that we are currently at the offers tab, meaning that you just get more for your money than when you will buy normal gems. We can see right here it says that if you buy this right now, you are literally getting a 10x premium over buying normal gems. And so in order to buy an offer, all you need to do is click on anything you want to buy. So for example, this pack right here of €1.19. Literally all I need to do is click on it, just like this. And what I then can do is this will pop up, and you want to make sure that you have money over on your Apple gift card or Android Play Store, or you want to make sure that some money or that your Apple ID or a Google ID is actually linked to a credit card in order to pay for this. But the easiest way to pay for this is by simply using some Apple ID money or some Google Play money, which you can obviously get using a gift card. So once you're completely sure that you want to get it, all you need to do is click on double tap to pay. And we can see right now that it literally said that we're paying, and we can right now see it says you are set. Your purchase was successful. You want to click on it, and then after a few seconds your special offer has been bought, and then obviously you can go into your clan castle and all those kind of things in order to claim those products. Now, in order to actually get some free items, what you want to go and do is still head over to that offers tab right here, and sometimes in this offers tab you will see some free items. We can see literally right now that this is completely free. When I click on this, I don't have to pay anything. I still need to confirm it, as you guys can see right here, and we have literally right now just gotten 2 free items by literally just clicking on that. So all you need to do is click on it. You don't even have to confirm anything. I actually thought you needed it, but you don't have to confirm anything. And that's basically how you can get some free items. Alright, so now let's say that you want to buy some gems. It's basically the same as buying special offers. Literally all you need to do is choose the package you want to buy for money, obviously. So you want to click on it again. You want to make sure that you have some money on your Apple or Google Play ID, or that a credit card is linked. And then on iPhone you need to simply click on double click to pay, just like this. It will scan my Face ID, and right now it's being bought, and we can see it says you are all set. And then my 80 gems or whatever you buy will be credited to your account. And that's basically how you can buy gems of Clash of Clans. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.